Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is our latest vlog for today. Ay patungkol sa papanaw na kanilang brother ko na si Osman. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget likes, shares, comments, views, uploading ng 500. I-supportin natin sa ating social media pa. Ang ating latest vlog entitled We Love You, Kuya. Our latest vlog on Gabby's Vlog 376 and episode 376. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Honorin natin ito. Last Wednesday, October 8, that my brother is now passed away due to heart stroke or yung parang cardiac arrest. Oh, parang heart due to heart stroke or cardiac arrest. Binawian ng buhay last Wednesday, October 8 at umaga or tanghali namatay. Dahil ang heart stroke or parang cardiac arrest na pupunta sa brain. Kaya wag po napansin. That nangyari sa preparation on their burol kahapon sa church in Evergreen Evergreen Village in Bagong Bukalokan. Diyan mangyayari yung gaganapin burol hanggang parang 3 days lang siya dito. But makakaroon ng mass and kailan kaya ang lilibing sa I think 3 choices kasi kung sa Forest Park, sa Quezon City or sa Heritage Park sa gaganapin living or yung resting place talaga yung kuya. Thank you so much, my Kuya Osman Marcelino Inlanso, who was born on February 1, 1983. My tatay is Wally, my mommy is Armida or Army. May kapatid ng babae si Ellen. Kasi favorite ko ng mga video games, mga Street Fighter, yung mga Bomberman, Clonoa, miss ko yung mga video games niya. Even na yun, arcade na ulit. At ang favorite ng bonding moments, nakapunta sa mga places like swimming and yung pinaka-last nakapunta ko sa amin kaninang brother ko sa birthday ng si Tito Lori at saka si Ate Che and Chester sa isang Tradway buffet in Pasay City along Ross Boulevard. And of course, and finally was supposed sana mapupunta sana na yung Oktobre para sa birthday ni na Jezreel, Jessie, Atele, my sister, and iba pa mga October celebrants, which is swimming ba or dito sa bike or Samoa was supposed, kaya wala na po yung kuya. Ito na yung first Christmas ko kahit wala na pong brother ko, si Osman. But we love you so much. And rest in peace, my man, Kuya Osman. For our latest vlog ends, see you on Sunday. Pag-usapan natin tungkol sa all 8 entries para sa this year's Metro Manila Film Festival. Thanks for watching. Bye.